Okay, so this is what we have so far. And it's not perfect. Like I said, there's some watermarks on there. But I'm using this one kind of like as a, you know, like my first rough draft, so to speak. But I am still going to try to seal this so that hopefully you don't see this anymore. I'll take like a polyurethane maybe, or I'm not sure. But this is where we're at this week. Obviously the IDK means I don't know. Unknown seemed like a little bit too long here. So, and I don't know. I just liked that better. But obviously you can do what you want. I think this turned out really good. Like I said, it's not perfect. But I think that's what also gives it kind of its flair. You know? I might go over, I'm not sure. That looks good to me. I think that looks really cool. But I definitely have to seal this anyways. But next week, what I'm going to do, I'm going to figure out what kind of symbols I want to put. Maybe I'll put the northeast, southwest, and then the corresponding elements, you know, and to figure out where I want the north to go. Maybe under here. I mean, I'll have to really take a look at it. Maybe like right there, or right there. I'm thinking over the maybes. North, south, east, west, and then the corresponding elements. And then maybe in periodic spots. Because then you could use divination with the elements. You could use it with the north, south, east, west. I might put other little symbols on here like a star and a moon, or I don't know, I almost wished I had some of these in like astrological symbols, or maybe I can draw them on and use something else in order to put astrological symbols and have those go along here, or maybe save that for a future one. But yeah. So I hope you like this video. Also, something that I wanted to say. When removing these, I used a plier, a pair of pliers, and I didn't screw them all the way in. I used my regular fingers, but of course, when you're doing that, be extremely careful because the end of that is extremely, extremely hot. So, because what I was going to do was unplug it or turn it down and wait for it to cool down every time. I'm like, oh my gosh, that would take forever with all of the letters. So I decided, no, I'm not going to do that. And then I just had a metal plate out here, and every time I would use my pliers in order to remove the hot one, I would just lay it over here and then grab another one that I had not used yet and screwed it on, and showed you how I was screwing it on. So, like I said, next week we are going to put some symbols on, but I want to figure out exactly what symbols I want to put on. I'm going to probably hand draw those first, just with a pencil, and then go over it with the burning tool. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you are following along with me. If you like it, give me a like. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget about the little notification bell if you would like to be notified of new videos that come out. And I'm wishing you always love and light. Thank you.